Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning. It's going to be a chilly day today with a lot of cloud cover. We've already had one cold front come through, a second one reinforcing the cool air in place. We have some flurries, very, very minor snow, nothing that's a worry for today. Now, tonight, that snow really starts to get going in northern Nebraska. Notice the band of snow is really going to develop over parts of South Dakota and stretch towards Iowa, and it will clip by northeast Nebraska later tonight into tomorrow morning. There's 7 a.m. tomorrow. The rest of it's just cloudy. It's going to be a chilly morning out there, and the temperatures may actually drop as the day goes on, as colder air comes in, especially when the winds turn back out of the north, and the winds are going to be strong enough to make it feel that much worse out there. It's not going to be a real nice day. Most of that snow falls, again, we'll back it up here, Saturday or Friday night through early Saturday morning. Most of it done by about noon. There's noon. Just a little snow left in eastern Nebraska. Clears on out. We might get a little late day sun. More clearing though Saturday night and Sunday morning, and that's when high pressure builds into the region. That'll give us a very cold night, Saturday night to Sunday morning, with the worst of the cold being right here near that high pressure over northeast Nebraska. Snowfall total is not going to be overly high. Most of us won't even have snow here. I think the Tri-Cities south and westward, no snow accumulation. It's up here in the far northeast, 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. Draw a line from around Springview to O'Neill to Fremont to Omaha northward, 1 to 3 inches. And then under an inch of snow elsewhere here. Again, Tri-Cities, some flurries might fly, but I really don't expect much out of that. There is a winter weather advisory that starts at 9 o'clock tonight that will continue until noon tomorrow. It does include Boyd County in north central Nebraska, Knox County, you've got Cedar County, Dixon County, Dakota County, and Thurston County, I believe that is, there in northeast Nebraska. So there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counties included in that winter weather advisory. So again, minor travel headaches, a possibility as we get into later tonight, and that'll continue through tomorrow morning in those locations. If you do have plans to travel to the northeast, again, may run into a few slick conditions out there, but otherwise most of us will be doing okay. High temperatures today. It's going to be a struggle to warm up. We're in the 20s and 30s right now this morning as of the time of this recording. Highs in the 20s and 30s, maybe a few 40s in the far southwest. Heading into tonight, colder air is going to start to dive southward, so we're talking about single digits, teens and 20s. Those single digits northeast, 20s southwest, teens in between. Tomorrow's highs, and these will, a lot of us, this will be an early day high, especially in these locations here. Early day highs. Temperatures will actually fall off as the day goes on, taking us into a cold night tomorrow night. In fact, this will be the coldest of the weather we see. Sub-zero readings in northeast Nebraska, some teens to the west and southwest, most of us in the single digits. So let's look at how the time frame plays out from 6 a.m. Saturday through 6 a.m. Sunday. So here's tomorrow. Watch how temperatures will actually get worse in the afternoon. Colder air coming in. And the winds are going to be blustery too, so it's not going to be a nice day at all. And then the coldest of the cold air comes Saturday night to Sunday morning. From there, it does start to get a little bit better. Sunday's still pretty cold for most of us though, 20s and 30s for highs. But look out west, already 40s and 50s. That warmth will spread eastward starting on Monday. Sunday night, not as cold, teens and 20s for lows. Monday looks a whole lot better. Highs back to the 40s and 50s, even near 60 out west. And it's actually going to get even warmer on Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's take a look at that long-range forecast. The coldest of the cold comes tomorrow and tomorrow night. We get a lot better early next week, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. There is another cold front that drops us off Thursday. No moisture with that, and it looks like a temporary drop-off, though. We're right back up. Friday looks pretty good. And then Saturday looks really good. Sunday, not too bad. And that's the weekend, of course, before Christmas, the weekend where we transition over from fall into winter. First day of winter is next Sunday, the 21st of December. Beyond that, I think we'll see a slow drop in temperatures as the week goes on next week, so we'll be returning to maybe more typical cold, but not super cold for Christmas Day. It's kind of looking like we'll be chilly Christmas Day, but not super cold right now. North Platte, again, cold the next 3 days with the worst of it tomorrow, where the temperature, the high will be early in the day. It'll be in the low 20s later in the day. We warm up on Monday, much warmer Tuesday, Wednesday. There's the drop Thursday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday looking all right now. Beyond that, now the Climate Prediction Center has most of the country above average, and I think we'll spend most of that time above average, but as we creep towards Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, there are some signs of some slightly cooler air coming in from the north, and then we are looking at what looks to be a mainly dry forecast during that time frame, which means Our odds of a white Christmas looking pretty low at this point. Meanwhile, flooding will continue to be an issue in the Northwest United States. It's already been an issue. Could be a big problem through the next couple of weeks. All right, with that, I'm going to let you all go for today. I want to thank you all for watching on this Friday. Have a good weekend. I'll be back with you on Monday. Talk to you all later. Bye.